Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the hood, we have to pull the release inside the car. It's just inside, right around your left knee on the driver's side. We need to release the secondary or safety release. Just kind of feel around for it. This one is right here. Squeeze up. I'm going to remove these two top nuts that hold on the appearance cover. They are 10 millimeter, so I'm using a 10 millimeter socket, ratchet, and extension. They should just thread off real easily. So there's our appearance cover. It's got some foam inside that's just for noise. Just keeps the noise down from the valve train. Cam position sensor is located on the side of the head towards the airbox. This one is kind of covered in oil. It's a little hard to see. There's a single 10 millimeter bolt that holds it in and an electrical connection. I'm going to push in on the electrical connector to release the lock. This was so gummed up with oil, it's hard to push the lock in. I had to work at it a little bit. Pulled it out. So now it's unlocked and removed. Now I can work on getting the bolt out of there. Use a 10 millimeter socket, extension, and ratchet. Get it broken free. Take the ratchet out. I'll use just the socket and extension to remove the bolt. Carefully take the bolt out so don't drop it. With the bolt removed, I need to get it out of the head, and it's got kind of a seal. You just kind of grab it and wiggle it back and forth. There's an O-ring in there, and it might be stuck in the O-ring, and just wiggle it back and forth, and you gotta kind of work it out. It's loose, but I can't quite get it, so I'm gonna carefully use a flat-bladed screwdriver, try to pry against the head, and to pop the sensor out. There it is. This is the old cam sensor we pulled from our vehicle, a brand new one from 1AAuto.com. Similar design, same mounting hole, same connector style. Got a new O-ring on here. This should fit in there and work great for us. You can use a tiny amount of white grease or engine oil. You just want to put it on that O-ring so it slides into place and doesn't rip. Now I'm going to put it back into the same opening, the side of the head. And I'll just push it in. Just kind of snap into place. I'm going to turn it. And it looks like it's lined up. Slide the bolt in. Slide it up. Get it lined up in the hole, mounting hole. Thread the bolt down in. Just threading it in my hand so it doesn't cross thread. It's going in nice and smooth. Torque is 7 foot-pounds. It's real light, so it's basically just a little more than hand tight. I'm going to get it snug and then just go a little bit more. So that's installed. Now just reconnect the electrical connector. Push it on until it locks. There it is. Pushed it a little more and it clicked. Now you can reinstall the plastic engine cover. Wiped it down with a rag to clean some of the dirt off of it, make it look a little nicer. Get it lined up over those studs. It'll sit right down. Reinstall the nuts. Actually, just do these hand tight. They don't need to be super tight. Job is complete.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.